Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy option. Then click on Settings option once again. Scroll down your screen and click on Dark Mode option. Here you'll have to select On option, and that is how you can turn on dark mode in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.